साथ चल दिल पे चला है जादू जाने क्यों रात भर बात कर तू मेरे साथ चल दिल पे चला है जादू जाने क्यों.
Let me just start off by asking you guys a really simple question. How is everyone?
Fantastic.
Banging.
Don't lie, you're sleepy.
Still feeling great.
It's Coffee with Janice. The new title of the show is Coffee with Janice. It means that being very true to the name.
Okay.
He doesn't have one because
He needs one, right? He was yawning right before the
I know.
interview.
I offered him mine, but he
He's
doesn't
got
want it.
caffeine in his stream. Yeah. So we can take a straw and have coffee.
Now that we have our coffees, now we're ready to go.
Ready to blow, it's a yes or a no, pull the trigger and go.
While you were making Bang Bang, you underwent a serious health scare. Your personal life was making national headlines, and yet in every interview you've said that this is the easiest film you've done. Why?
You choose to see your life the way you want to see it. You want to go through challenges and keep complaining about how difficult it is. That's your choice. Or you can go through them and keep saying that it's all right. That's life. And you do the best you can with whatever you have control over. So I just did the best I could with what I could get my two hands on and create. That's what I did. It became easy.
Katrina, what about you? Easiest film you've done?
Easiest film I've done? No.
Why?
No. Not an easy.
Because she likes making things difficult.
I like drama.
She loves challenges.
No, not
Even
an
when they
easy
don't,
film.
even when
Ritik
they're
Roshan,
not
can I
there.
answer my own questions?
No, you can't.
Then I'm going to answer yours. That's
Oh,
a deal.
beautiful.
Okay. So as you can see, our poor director has just about survived the experience of the film. Yesterday I gave an interview in a newspaper. I really felt it was true, and then I realized I didn't even ask that I really felt this has also been a life-changing experience for you. This film.
For me?
Yeah.
Why are you talking about me?
I don't know. I just realized.
It's okay, Siddharth. Now that you've asked the question, you might as well
Even
answer.
for Sid, this has been like
Sid's
a life change. His life changed throughout the process of this film.
Sid, what about you? I mean, did you feel like she said, was a life-changing experience?
I think every film does that to you. I think you feel, you've evolved, you've grown, you've learned things. It's always a learning curve. Each film, because what happens is you spend 2 years of your life, especially a director, on a film, and 2 years is a long time. You'll meet new people.
You spent 4 on this.
Yeah, well, I did. I spent 4. I made 2 films in that. Bang and Bang. Yeah, and so 4 years. And a lot of things happened during this film. And so you learn a lot. You meet
Like
new
a lot of
people.
things happen during life. It happens.
Exactly. So it's like even if I wasn't making a film in 2 years, I would have changed as a person anyway.
Because things would have happened.
Philosopher 1, Philosopher 2.
Night and Day, when it came out, it wasn't exactly one of Tom Cruise's highest grossers or most critically acclaimed film. So why did you choose this one?
I didn't choose it. It chose me.
Oh.
Deep, man. You're on a roll today.
I saw Night and Day on a flight. And I remember while I was seeing the film, I was saying to myself, this can be a really good Hindi film. Month later, I get a call from Sid saying,
Wow.
just 1 month later.
Wow.
Called me up and he said, look, I want to make a film. I said, which film? He said, it's a remake of Night and Day. I said, dude, I was just thinking about the same thing about a month back. It felt like some kind of destiny. I really wanted to do a film in this space, and this was an ideal platform. And when I read the script, I just, it filled up all my desires of doing the kind of things I want to do in a film. So it just came together really, really well. Of course, once we started working, a lot of things were falling apart everywhere, and we were placing things back together.
It was almost like, what is happening, because one small thing after another, scheduling changes, then of course Ritik's injuries, several things
greater the
happened.
challenges, the greater the returns. You just have to, do your best, and I think that's what we did.
I think it's going to be a greater film.
ये हमारे leader थे, he was the leader, and we were just following his vision. And
I think it's turned out to be a much greater film. I would use the term greater because it's gone beyond what
had those things not happened, it would have not been the
it would have been a little underwhelming, but at this point in time, I think we've peaked what our potential of the film would be. We peaked that.
And how did Katrina come on board?
Sid called me.
I think it's
Sid Foster.
But Sid
then I
gave me,
Foster.
Sid gave me a little lecture, which I don't know if he remembers, but I remember. So I was sitting on my couch, and he was sitting on the left couch. I just remember he was sitting, and I said, Sid, I don't know if exactly it's the kind of space. I'm not too sure because of this, because of that. So he said, you're taking yourself too seriously. I really just think that it's a great role for you. It's fun.
She's still not completely on board. I mean, she's just about
but that was the 10th time today you've said this line.
Almost realizing
you have to say a new line.
And saying that, I should be a part of this film. I think she's just about to realize that.
So actually, he also said, on your last film, I've hardly seen you smile. And do you remember this?
Yeah, I know that. I tell you
I've
that
hardly
every day.
seen you smile, and I want you to do something fun and talkative.
Was in Doom 3.
No. At this point, when he offered it to me, I think it was Tiger. So, which was a little more of a serious, like a.
Tiger had been for
That's true, you don't smile much
For Jab Tak
in
Hai Jaan also, I think she was.
Wait, it's not like, hey, I'm a spy. Oh, you're gonna betray me, and now you put the gun on my head. You can't exactly do that. No?
I think Jab Tak Hai Jaan.
Yeah.
She was a little.
Jab Tak Hai Jaan, that you're the love of my life, and now I've promised to God I can never be with you. I ain't gonna smile, man. It's not
They were
funny.
true to their stories. I said this is a light-hearted entity. I think it's been a long time.
He said, I loved you in Mere Brother Ki Dulhan, and you were so good in it.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
I want to see you do something more fun like that.
More live, more full of life. I think that's the perception people started having of Katrina as well. And I think that should break the mold. I think she's a lot of fun in the film. There's a lot of energy, a lot of spunk. And I think I've enjoyed seeing Katrina on screen like that. And I'm sure audience will see another side again to her.
तूने कांधे पे सर झुकाया जब जैसे दरगाह पे बांधे धागे तब बिना मांगे ही मिल गया है सब मेहरबान हुआ मेहरबान हुआ मेहरबान हुआ मेहरबान हुआ
There was so much of response for the two of you about how good you look as a couple on screen. And now with Bang Bang, you all seem to have taken that one notch higher. When you have so many compliments coming your way about the way you look and how smoking hot you look on the big screen, does vanity creep in a little bit?
What?
Vanity.
Vanity.
Yeah, I mean about the way you look.
No, for me it's a huge sense of relief. Every time I see that review, I go on the internet and you see those things, and like they're looking those looking good. They're looking so good together. I'm like, wow, phew, thank God. It's a huge sense of relief.
This is why I wanted to do the film, because I think the last time I did a film like this was Dhoom 2. And I really wanted to get back into that space of being able to do those kind of action stunts, have the cool quotient, have
the women swooning over you, because I remember after Dhoom 2, everyone just couldn't stop talking about, oh my God, how hot is Hrithik Roshan?
When I saw the first cut or whatever you call it, I don't know, like a rough something edit just before, some little time back, I saw it and I said that I have no judge of other things, and especially not myself, but I remember I went and I told Hrithik that I thought it was the best he's ever been.
You did not say it, you tried to say it.
Okay.
In a lot of words.
But I did
I said,
say
Katrina,
that.
are you trying very hard to say that I am good in this film? Say, no, I'm not saying that, but I'm saying that, you've really, really done.
That's not true.
Just say the word, say the
I
word.
said it's the best you've been. I did say that. Be fair. I said a lot of other things, but
thank
this
you.
I said.
Thank you.
This I said.
Straightforward compliment from
in the
Katrina
action.
Kaif,
I
man.
thought,
They should make national news.
I thought it was, because I wasn't there in a lot of it.
Now you
Don't let me talk anymore. Seriously, it's not fair.
Anymore?
You've talked so much throughout the film.
It's time.
No, I was very quiet on the set.
That is
actually.
true. That's why I'm going to miss
I
you.
was. Now I have to get it all out. Use my quota of words.
Yeah, you can talk. You want me to ask the next question, or you want to go on?
See?
Okay, without the question, which basically means you're doing your own interview.
No.
Are you ready to blow? It's a yes or a no. Pull the trigger and go.
Hrithik, what are the things that Siddharth made you do, or the stunt director made you do in this film that you've never done before?
Everything. From the flyboarding to the F1 car, water
Rooftop
skiing,
chase. He's got everything.
jumping on,
Yeah.
the entire first chase of the film were on top of these, roofs in Simla. And they really, seriously did not look strong enough to take anybody's weight. I think the action of this film is definitely more than I ever expected.
going into this, did you want to make like almost every big action sequence a big money shot?
No, that wasn't our intention. Our intention was to get at least 2 action sequences that would be the big ticket action sequences. But when it got down to designing each small bit, also it just started getting out of hand, and we didn't know where to stop. And we put in all our ideas and everything into this film. So now
I think I had a lot to do with that. ये भी करते हैं, ये भी करते हैं.
So I think there was just no stopping, no one to stop her.
रात भर बात कर तू मेरे साथ चल दिल पे चला है जादू जाने क्यों रात भर बात कर तू मेरे साथ चल दिल पे चला है